Hello, let's do this question. A sea diver is attached to a shipwreck using a rope which is 50 meters long. Okay. The diver swims a distance of 14 meters to a point directly above the wreck. How deep is the shipwreck? So we are required to find this distance here. Let's call it distance D, the depth there, right? So now this triangle is right angled, so we can use the Pythagoras theorem here. So the hypotenuse is what? Is 50 meters. This is the side which is opposite the 90-degree angle. So this is the hypotenuse, which is 50 meters long. So we are finding a side which is not the hypotenuse. Remember what we said about this. If you're finding a side which is not the hypotenuse, you subtract the square of the given side from the square of the hypotenuse. But if you want, you can even start with the Pythagoras theorem and say hypotenuse squared, which is 50 squared, is equal to the other side squared plus the other side squared, like this. Pythagoras. Okay, you can do like that, it's fine. Or if you want, you can say d squared is equal to 50 squared minus 14 squared. It's still fine. And then you write your reason Pythagoras. Okay, this is after we subtracted 14 squared from both sides of the equation, right? And then now what we do to find d, we find the square root of this. Let's get 50 squared minus 14 squared. What is it? So d squared is equal to 50 squared minus 14 squared is equal to 2304, right? And then what we do after that, we square root both sides. So d squared, find the square root of d squared, and then find the square root of 2304, and then we find that d is equal to 48 meters. So the depth here is 48 meters.